and welcome back. We will talk more on developing themes in this video. If you are developing a theme, then you will require test data to be displayed on the front end. WordPress has you covered for that. Open developer.wordpress.org/themes/getting started/tools and setup and search for test data. Open the link and you will get the link for the test data XML file. You can import this file and it will provide you with the initial content which theme developers can use to test the theme design, layout, and other design elements. Go through the handbook to know all the details on what content will be available through the XML file and how you can import those XML files. We don't need to create different types of content manually in our WordPress site to test our theme design against different scenarios. To import this, go into your local setup, tools, import, and you will need the WordPress importer plugin for that. After installing the plugin, you can import the XML file from WordPress, which is also known as WXR file. The test data has been imported. Now you will have all this test data, that is test content, including the content blogs and other content, almost 50 published posts, and these media as well. This content is very helpful to get started developing the theme. Now, let's learn about classic themes. I'm not going to create a new theme, but I will use the default existing theme, the 2021 theme, which is a classic theme, as a reference point to learn about classic theme development functionality. We will learn about what kind of functionality we can add, what are the best practices, what functions we have to keep in mind, and how can we go more in depth into theme development. So if you go into the editor, in the WP content folder, open the themes folder, and there is a 2021 theme. There are other themes as well which are block-based theme. In the 2021 classic theme, there is a file named style.css. In the style.css, you can see the theme header. It includes the theme name, theme URI, author, author URI, description, theme version, licenses, and domain tags, and all this information is very similar to what we learned in plugin development. With the advent of site editing in WordPress, some of these details are defined in theme.jsons, which centralizes many theme global settings at one place. Good news is you can use the theme.json files in both classic themes and block themes, and not just only in block themes. In plugin, we also add similar information, and all this information can be seen in the admin. If you go into the admin in the appearance and click on any of the themes theme details button, you can see the theme name here that is currently activated by the WordPress theme signifies the author that was provided in the header. Enable auto updates, which is a core feature. If you want to enable auto updates for the theme, you can see the theme description here, the tags that has been provided in the header, the version, and all this information will be displayed by the WordPress by getting that information from the style.css file. And here in the WordPress theme, you can see all the CSS code added here. This CSS file has been included in the front end to load the CSS. There is also an index.php file. Currently, this theme has multiple template files, and we'll go through them in further videos. As you can see in the Explorer, there are header.php, footer.php, and the main content area, the template part, and some other code files. We will learn about these code files and how we can manage the templating files, how we can use default templates as well, and how we can create custom templates. Generally, if your site provides layout design and there is no JavaScript or additional functionality in the front end, and you are just displaying the content by fetching it from WordPress into the front end, all these things can be done just using the index.php file. In this case, you will have to organize and manage your theme into multiple template files like archive, single post, taxonomy, categories, tags, and many other files. If you're managing all these templates in the index.php file, it will be difficult to maintain in the long run because it will cause all the code to be in conditional statements and it will increase the complexity. So the 2021 theme divides all these templates into different files and template parts and keeps them maintainable. We'll go through this step by step. For theme development, there are minimum requirements, and the minimum requirements are an index.php file and the style.css file, nothing else. This is for the classic theme. However, in block themes, the minimum requirement is for a style.css file and an index.html file. That's all about theme development introduction. After watching this video, you can install the default theme if the theme is not installed on your local site. If the theme unit data has not been imported into your local system, please import it so that you can have all the content on your local site. This will be very helpful for theme development and testing. Also, go through the style.css file and some of the theme files, and in the upcoming videos, we will learn more about them. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Jai WordPress!